Hey, Marlon Moss. How to get a herb garden going. So this is the space at the moment. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5-gallon pots. How am I making my soil? Well, not to get too technical because it doesn't really matter, but I put 3 parts topsoil, just topsoil, and I did 1 part compost. Now I'm going to add a little bit, like maybe a handful to a bio-char, a handful of mykos, a handful of bokashi, a couple of handfuls of alpha meal, and a tiny bit of earthworm castings. And I've got compost tea waiting to drench it all with. So the only thing this is really missing is lava rock. But I was in a rush when I went and bought this, and I didn't have any space in my car. So normally I'd add about 2 bags of lava rock too, but this isn't for cannabis. This is for herbs. So now I've got my pots ready. Cleaned up the space a little bit as best I can. Got the soil in the pots, and now I'm going to pull back the top layer a little bit. I'm going to do a mixture of all the seeds in all the pots. I'm going to put some orchard grass over the top so that it has a nice mulch layer. Then just step back and wait 2 or 3 weeks, see what happens. Okay, got all the seeds planted. Got all the garlic chives in there. So there's about 6 or 7 different plants per pot in here, so not quite a quorum, but enough. As you can see. And then this isn't a pure compost tea. I made a compost tea earlier, and this is the very last part at the bottom of it, diluted up to the top of this again. And I'm adding this not to water the seeds, just to introduce that microbiological life to the soil. That's all I'm doing. Look at that. Alright, let's sit back, see what happens with this garden.